Injective is breaking out. Price just smashed through a falling wedge on the 3-day chart, and Fibonacci levels are screaming upside potential. Could $25 be next? Plus, Injective's ecosystem is exploding with news. A major Lyora upgrade, Wall Street tokenization, and a fully circulating token supply that's shaking up DeFi. In this video, you'll discover why INJ is surging, how Injective is revolutionizing Web3, and the exact DeFi strategies to profit, like staking and burn auctions. Stick around. I'm sharing secrets that'll help you dominate DeFi. Let's dive into the future of finance with Injective. Don't miss this. Let's break down why Injective is heating up. On this 3-day chart, we've got a textbook falling wedge, a bullish pattern. Injective broke out to the upside, confirming a trend reversal. The price is currently around $10, but check out these Fibonacci levels. The 0.618 level at $24 and the 0.786 at $29 are key targets. That's a potential 150% move. The VRVP on the left shows strong volume support between $7 and $10, meaning buyers are stepping in hard. And the Fibonacci RSI below? It's trending up, signaling bullish momentum with no overbought conditions yet. But it's not just technicals driving this. Injective's fundamentals are on fire, and recent news proves it. Let's connect the dots, starting with a game-changing token supply milestone. By January 2024, INJ's entire initial supply became 100% circulating. That's huge. Injective is now one of the only major Layer 1 networks with a fully circulating token supply. Why does this matter? No more token unlocks means no future dilution, supply is capped, and demand can drive price action. Look at this chart they shared. The supply release started in 2020 with seed sales, private sales, and team allocations, steadily increasing until it hit 100%. This transparency builds trust and makes Injective a scarcity play in DeFi. Plus, with over 6,500,000 INJ burned in annual gas savings of $239 million, Injective's ecosystem is deflationary, meaning less INJ in circulation over time. That's rocket fuel for price growth. But there's more to Injective than tokenomics. They're empowering their community in ways other blockchains can only dream of. Let's talk about how Injective holders are taking control and why that's a big deal for Web3. Injective isn't just a blockchain. The INJ token empowers its community. Holders can vote on protocol upgrades, stake to earn rewards, and even participate in burn auctions. Want to vote on the next big upgrade? Stake your INJ and earn while doing it. Or join burn auctions to reduce supply even more. It's a win-win. Injective's governance model is a blueprint for DeFi future, and it's already paying off. Speaking of upgrades, Injective just rolled out a massive one called Lyora, and it's a game-changer for speed, fees, and efficiency. Let's break it down next. The Lyora Mainnet Upgrade went live on April 22nd after a unanimous 100% community vote. This is a big deal for Injective, and here's why. Lyora introduces a dynamic fee system. Low activity means lower fees, saving you money, while high activity prioritizes important transactions. This makes DeFi cheaper and more efficient for everyone. Lyora also boosts transaction speeds and network capacity, meaning quicker trades and smoother experiences on Injective's dApps. Plus, it revamps the mempool. High-priority transactions get processed faster, even when the network's busy. No more waiting in a congested queue. Faster, cheaper transactions attract more developers to build dApps, growing the ecosystem. And here's the big news. 60% of exchange fees are burned, increasing INJ usage for staking and governance. This upgrade isn't just tech. It's a growth catalyst. More dApps mean more users, which means more INJ demand. Combine this with the chart breakout we saw earlier, and Injective could be headed to fly. Injective's growth is undeniable. Daily active addresses hit 34,900, nearing an all-time high. This surge in users shows Injective's ecosystem is thriving. More activity means more INJ being used for fees, staking, and burns, driving value higher. And with the Lyora upgrade making transactions faster and cheaper, it's no surprise developers are flocking to Injective. Speaking of developers, let's check out how Injective ranks among other DeFi projects for dev activity, because this is where the real innovation happens. Developers are the lifeblood of any blockchain, and Injective is killing it. INJ ranks in the top 7 among real-world asset projects for developer activity over the last 30 days. Compare this to the chart. Chainlink leads with 660 devs, but Injective's 100 devs still beat out VeChain. This growth in dev activity is a bullish signal for INJ's long-term value. Injective is bridging traditional markets and DeFi by tokenizing US stocks like Tesla and NVIDIA on-chain. Injective partnered with Peef Network and Helix to provide real-time price feeds from major trading firms, ensuring accuracy and reliability. What does this mean? You can now trade stocks on Injective with up to 25x leverage, no brokers, and no geographic restrictions. It's one index for hundreds of top US stocks, open to everyone, everywhere. Helix has already hit $50 billion in trading volume, and Injective is just getting started. This move could bring billions of dollars into DeFi, and INJ is at the center of it. But how can you profit from this? That's where my ebook comes in. Let me show you how to get started with DeFi and INJ strategies. Want to profit from INJ's rise and the DeFi boom? My ebook, DeFi Financial Freedom, the Ultimate Beginner's Guide, is your roadmap. For just $4.99, you'll learn proven strategies like staking, yield farming for high APYs, and maximizing airdrops, perfect for beginners and pros alike. I cover platforms like Aave, Uniswap, and more, plus safety tips to protect your funds. This isn't just theory, it's actionable steps to financial freedom, inspired by the news we've covered today. From Lyora's fee savings to INJ burns, DeFi is your chance to take control. Grab the ebook now. It's pinned in the comments. And if you're loving this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more daily DeFi gold. Let's keep going. Injective's transaction counts are next, and they're wild. Injective's adoption is off the charts. INJ transaction counts are skyrocketing, outpacing Ethereum and Solana at times. Look at this chart. INJ hit peaks of 7 million transactions. Why? Injective's burn auctions and low fees, less than 1 cent per transaction, make it a go-to for dApps. With 1.8 million on-chain transactions and a block time of 0.6 seconds, Injective is built for scale without hurting users. Injective is the future of finance, and INJ is your ticket to ride. From a bullish chart breakout to the Lyora Upgrade, tokenized stocks, and explosive user growth, Injective is redefining DeFi. With a fully circulating supply and over 6.5 million INJ burned, the tokenomics are primed for growth. Never financial advice, but start exploring Injective today. Grab my ebook for only $4.99 in the comments to master these strategies. If this video helped, smash that like button, comment your INJ prediction, and subscribe for more daily alpha. Check out my last video linked on your screen for even more profits. Let's build financial freedom together. See you tomorrow in the next one.